Hello and welcome back to another video. Today's video is about MIUI 12.5 and it's completely redesigned on MIUI 12. Xiaomi claims that it is a complete redesign. And let's check out the features and the new things added to MIUI 12.5. The first thing is the super wallpapers, and that is completely redesigned, and there are so many new wallpapers we can see here, and some are from Mars and some are from Earth, the oceans and islands. That is so amazing addition to MIUI 12.5. After that we come to the power consumption and CPU usage. They have reduced CPU usage by 22% and power consumption by 15%. And they have said that they have prioritized the gesture rendering. They have added instant response for a better experience. There is a thread overloaded CPU and it is prioritized, and other processes are slowed down to complete the render. And they're saying also that full screen gestures are prioritized for instant response, or that means that full screen gestures will be kept in front. That's why we'll be experiencing new full screen gestures in Xiaomi phones. And they have added a multidimensional note apps which can also draw and do so many things. It will be handy for the people who takes notes frequently, and there are so many drawing tools like pen, brushes, highlighter, eraser, and so many things, new drawing tools. And after that we come to MIUI Plus. MIUI Plus will mimic the MIUI on your Windows 10 PC like a desktop, and you can use your Xiaomi phone from your desktop and use everything in your phone like calling, copying and pasting, taking screenshots. Everything will be synced between the phone and PC. And privacy features like sandbox mechanism and fuzzy positioning. And there are new notification sounds from different regions of the world. They're from South American rainforest, Australia, East African grassland and the Arctic Circle. System sounds are inspired by natural elements such as wood, sand and water. The new skin also brings improved haptic feedback to compatible smartphones. The custom skin also refreshed MIUI Lite cone motion effect architecture that features dedicated thread for gestures and priority scheduling with improved response time. Xiaomi also claims that MIUI 12 will have 20% reduced memory usage to manage the processes much better, and less bloatware like the iOS. They'll add only 9 apps in their MIUI 12.5 distribution. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video, subscribe our channel, comment down what do you think about MIUI 12.5 and share this video. See you in the next video. Till then, peace.